Hi again. Now it's time to create this finger right here. So how can we do that? I will select one of these fingers, maybe this one, and from the right view hit Shift D to take a copy, and let's take a copy right here, and let's hit R to rotate this to the Z axis, and let's now rotate it 90 degree, and let's push this a bit, and let's put it maybe right here in this area. Well, now after that, let's grab these two and let's delete them because I don't want them. And let's take this, hit G and take it up. Let's put this right here. It's very easy to create. And from the front view, let's select this. Let's first grab it. And from the front view, let's position it in G and move it a bit, maybe right here. We can put this right here. G, maybe I can take it up a bit. And yeah, just like that. Well, now what I need to do is I need to put something inside and to connect it with this piece. Well, let's select this piece and let's isolate it first, and let's turn off the subdivision temporarily. Tap to the edit mode and let's see what we got here inside. Let's switch to the face mode to grab these four faces, Control plus couple times to grow the selection, and then hit Shift D to take a copy and leave it in the same place, and then hit S to scale it and scale it inside, just like that. After you complete, hit P S to separate it. So now this piece is detached. Okay, with this one selected, maybe I need to tap to the edit mode for this piece alone, and let's see what I can do here. Let's grab these edges, alt click and then hit F to fill this area, and maybe I can extrude this out a bit and scale it to the X, and grab this edge and scale it to the X alone to make it straight. The same thing for this piece and make it straight, and then we can grab them and scale them, and then hit E for this to make new extrusion. But let's connect this one with this one, hit J to connect them, and now actually I can isolate this piece alone, just like that. Let's select this face with this one, and let's hit E to make new extrusion, just like that. Well, now let's see what we got from the right view. Maybe I can delete this edge temporarily, but if I delete it, that will cause a problem. I will grab this, hold Control, grab this one, and I will delete those, Control X, and now I can create them back. So grab this, or you can active K knife tool and make a cut from here, hold Control to make the cut in the center back to this vertex, just like that, and then hit enter to confirm the results. And as you see here, we got a problem. It's not we have no edge here. So again, K, make a cut here, hold Control and hit enter. So that's now working. Let's see what else we can do here. Let's add an edge, Control R to support this area, or you can alt click this to bevel it, Control B for bevel, and let's bevel this result with 2, maybe that will be enough. And maybe I can delete these faces, I don't want them, Control plus to grow the selection, XF to delete them. And what about this area right here? Let's Control R and let's add an edge here, and deactivate the auto merge temporarily, Control R, and let's add an edge here, Control R again, and one right here. Or for this one, alt click and bevel it. I think that will be better. And let's select this face and this one, and then hit I for insert to insert this result down. Well, now let's activate subdivision and let's see what we got here. Well, we got this nice result. Hit slash to exit off local mode, and now we need to push this new piece from the right view, push it inside the circle. So go to wireframe, switch to edge, grab these vertices. Sorry, switch to vertex mode, grab these vertices, and hit G and move them just like that inside. Let's see what we got in the perspective. Well, we got this result. This activates subdivision for this piece. So this piece should be moving it free, so we could move this finger in all direction. Let's go to the front view, and I think I need to move these fingers again. Let's say grab them all, and maybe from the back view, Control 1. Let's hit G and move them just a bit, make them a bit attached with this geometry. And let's select this one, and let's go back again to the edit mode, and let's grab these vertices, hit R to rotate this a bit, and G to move it, make it close, and maybe for this one, G, and just move it a bit right here. Let's go back to solid. Yeah, now the result is better. Alright, so we just finished the arm, and now it is ready and smooth. We need to do something else from the front view maybe. Let's select this piece, and let's bring the 3D cursor in the middle of this piece, Shift S and cursor to select it, and let's grab them all then, and let's switch the pivot to the 3D cursor, and let's hit R to rotate this a bit just like that. The same thing for this side, grab this, Shift S, and bring the 3D cursor in the middle, grab them all, R to rotate them just like that, to make a bend for the arm just a bit. Alright, so we don't have anything here to do. We can say this tutorial is finished, and I will see you in the next one.